Wow, is that a magic lamp?
Greetings, young mortal. I am the genie of the lamp, ready to fulfill your wishes. What is your desire? Tell me, and I shall make it come true.
Wow, you're a real genie. I can't believe it. I wish for a magical friend who can help me with all my homework and school assignments.
As you wish, behold, your wish is granted. This is ChatGPT, your wise and knowledgeable companion. It will assist you with any questions or problems you encounter. Imagine if you had a magical friend who knows a lot about many things and loves to chat with you. That is ChatGPT. Go to URL chat.openai.com. Click on sign up button. Provide your email address and click continue. Provide a password. Remember, use a strong password. Click continue. Now that you have a login ID created with ChatGPT, let's try to log on to ChatGPT. This time, click on login button and provide your user ID and password. Click enter. Ta-da! You are in ChatGPT. Once you have access to the ChatGPT platform, navigate to the chat interface or section where you can interact with the AI. This is usually a text box where you can type all your questions. With the ChatGPT, type your questions or prompts in the chat box and press the enter key to send them to the ChatGPT. ChatGPT will process your input and generate a response accordingly. Tell me, what question do you want to ask ChatGPT?
Hey, ChatGPT, how do planes fly?
Ta-da!
This is awesome.
If you need further clarifications or have additional questions, continue the conversation by typing your next prompt. ChatGPT will try its best to maintain context and respond accordingly. Once you are done, you can end the sessions by closing the chat window or exiting the application. ChatGPT can have several valuable uses in schools. It can act as a learning assistant, helping students with their questions, clarifying concepts, and providing explanations on various topics. Students can interact with ChatGPT to get additional information and reinforce their understanding of the subjects they are learning. Now let's ask ChatGPT a question.
Hey, ChatGPT, where's Paris?
Second use of ChatGPT is personalized learning. ChatGPT can be used to offer personalized learning experiences.
Hey, ChatGPT, I'm struggling with algebra. Can you help me?
It can adapt to its responses based on individual students' learning styles, pace, and preferences, providing a unique learning path for each student. A student struggling with algebra can ask ChatGPT various questions and learn from ChatGPT in a simple and efficient method. Number 3. Homework and assignments. Students can seek help from ChatGPT when working on their homework and assignments.
Hey, ChatGPT, I have a history assignment about the American Revolution. Can you give me some key points to include?
It can provide insights, suggest approaches to problem solving, and offer examples to guide students in completing their tasks. Take a look at this example on the screen. Number 4. Creative writing. You can ask ChatGPT, I need a character name for time travel story. Can you please suggest some? ChatGPT can be an excellent tool for encouraging creativity and improving writing skills. Students can use it as a writing prompt or to brainstorm ideas for stories, essays, or creative projects. Number 5. Language learning. For example, you can copy a paragraph and ask ChatGPT to correct the grammar and spelling. For language classes, ChatGPT can engage students in interactive conversations, assist with grammar explanations, and help with vocabulary building. It can even act as a language practice partner, encouraging students to practice their speaking and writing skills. Number 6. Teacher support. You can ask ChatGPT, I'm teaching a lesson on the solar system tomorrow. Can you provide some fun facts about Mars? Teachers can use ChatGPT as a resource to prepare for lessons, gather additional information, and find creative teaching ideas. It can help teachers stay up to date with the latest development in various fields. You can ask, I'm teaching kids in grade 2 about photosynthesis. Can you please explain the concept in a very simple format? You can use ChatGPT for lesson planning assistance. For example, you can ask, I am preparing lessons on the water cycle. Can you suggest some engaging activities to help students visualize the process? ChatGPT can also be used for professional development. For example, you can ask, as an educator, I want to improve students' engagement. Can you share some innovative teaching strategies that I can try in my classroom? Number 7. Research and references. For example, you can ask, I am working on a science project about the human body. Can you suggest some reliable sources? When students need quick answers or additional information for research projects, ChatGPT can serve as a handy reference tool, pointing students in the right directions and suggesting reliable sources. Number 8. Inclusion and accessibility. For example, for students with dyslexia, they can ask, I am having trouble understanding this message. Can you explain it in a different way? ChatGPT can be a valuable resource for students with learning differences or disabilities. It can provide alternative explanation and learning methods that cater to diverse learning needs.
Wow, thank you, Jeannie. That is awesome.
When using ChatGPT with young students, it is essential to monitor their interactions and ensure their safety. Teachers should set guidelines for responsible use and encourage students to verify information with trusted sources.
Okay, Jeannie. I understand. I'll be careful. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.